Hey guys, I just ran into an issue with one of my Milwaukee tools and I figured out how to fix it, so I wanted to pass that knowledge along. So this is my oscillating multi-tool, and as you can see, if I go to turn it on right now, those lights are just flashing right here. Took me a minute, but what I found is, pull this out, this one here I've already fixed. You see if I pop it in, works just fine. And what the issue is right here, these contacts need to make contact inside the tool in there. If you can see it down in there, there's some metal contacts, not the two spades facing us, but down on the bottom there's actually one contact on the base down here, right down on this edge down here. And that needs to make contact with this terminal right here. What I found that that is for the tool and the battery to communicate to know whether the battery is overheating, because the tool is going to shut down if it is. And that was not making contact in there. So like I said, I've already fixed this one. It's bent out, and it's actually that allows it to make contact. This one here, if you look from this angle, it's a bit hard to see, but if it would focus, that terminal over here on the right is not stuck out as far, and it's also, for whatever reason, down a lot lower. You can see there, it's down lower than the other two. So all I did is I took my 90-degree pick, stuck it in here like this, stuck it in there like that, and just bent it out a bit. You don't need to go crazy. Just put a little bit of force out. You see it's sticking out. It's not, I can't get it to go up any higher, but it's definitely sticking out further. If we snap that in there now, works just fine. So if you have an issue like that where your tool just won't work even though it's a fresh battery, and these batteries are almost brand new. I've only used them a couple weeks maybe. And apparently maybe the contact in this multi-tool is just a little bit more sensitive. It's just the spacing is a little different than my other tools. But for whatever reason, this one here just did not want to work with those batteries. So you just bend that tab out just a little bit, and it seems to work perfect. So hopefully this helped you guys.